Imagine a stretch of ocean where some of the world's most advanced warships and aircraft have disappeared without a trace. No mayday calls, no wreckage, just silence. This mysterious region, known as the Bermuda Triangle, has been called the Devil's Triangle, a place where compasses spin wildly and entire crews seem to vanish into thin air. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest videos. But is it really a supernatural trap for military fleets? Or is there a scientific explanation behind these chilling stories? Let's dive into the history, the facts, and the theories surrounding one of the ocean's greatest mysteries. Stretching roughly 500,000 square miles between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, the Bermuda Triangle has captured public imagination for decades. Sailors and pilots have long reported strange phenomena here. Unpredictable storms, sudden equipment failures, and navigational anomalies. Yet the most enduring legends involve the disappearance of military vessels, cases where highly trained crews and well-maintained machines simply never returned. The USS Cyclops, 1918. One of the earliest and most famous cases is the USS Cyclops, a massive U.S. Navy collier carrying over 300 crew members and 10,000 tons of manganese ore. In March 1918, the Cyclops departed from Barbados bound for Baltimore. It never arrived. No distress signal was sent, no wreckage found, and to this day the U.S. Navy lists it as lost without a trace. What makes this story especially haunting is that the Cyclops was a state-of-the-art ship for its time. Investigations suggested possibilities ranging from structural failure to a German U-boat attack during World War I. But no evidence ever surfaced, leaving experts puzzled for over a century. Flight 19, 1945. Fast forward to December 5th, 1945. 5 U.S. Navy TBM Avenger torpedo bombers, collectively known as Flight 19, left Fort Lauderdale on a routine training mission. The weather was clear, yet soon after takeoff, the pilots reported compass malfunctions and became disoriented. Radio transmissions grew frantic. "We can't find west. Everything looks strange." Despite extensive search efforts covering thousands of square miles, neither the planes nor the 14 crew members were ever found. Even more eerie, a PBM Mariner rescue plane sent to look for them disappeared as well, with 13 men on board. The Navy's official report listed the cause as unknown, fueling speculation of paranormal forces. The USS Scorpion, 1968. Another Cold War mystery emerged in May 1968 when the nuclear submarine USS Scorpion vanished while returning to Norfolk, Virginia. Carrying 99 crewmen and 2 nuclear torpedoes, the Scorpion was later found in deep water southwest of the Azores, outside the classic triangle boundary, but within the same Atlantic region. While most experts attribute the sinking to a mechanical malfunction or accidental torpedo detonation, conspiracy theories quickly tied the tragedy to the triangle's ominous reputation. The loss of a nuclear submarine without a clear cause only deepened public fascination. Other notable incidents. The triangle's lore includes other military cases. The Navy tanker USS Proteus and its sister ship USS Nereus, both similar to the Cyclops, disappeared in the early 1940s under mysterious circumstances. Several U.S. Air Force C-119 flying boxcars vanished in the 1950s, despite being equipped with modern radios and navigation tools. Even commercial vessels like the Marine Sulphur Queen, a 524-foot tanker, disappeared in 1963 with 39 crew aboard. Only a few pieces of debris were ever recovered. These incidents created a pattern too striking to ignore. Well-equipped military or commercial ships, trained crews, good weather, and no survivors. Scientific explanations. While the legends are gripping, many scientists argue that the Bermuda Triangle is not a supernatural death trap, but a region with challenging natural conditions. 1. unpredictable weather and rogue waves. The triangle lies within a major shipping lane where the Gulf Stream meets fast-moving weather systems. Sudden storms can appear out of nowhere, and rogue waves, walls of water reaching over 100 feet, are capable of capsizing large ships. Satellite data from NASA and NOAA confirm that such waves are more common in the North Atlantic than once believed. 2. Compass variations and magnetic anomalies. The Earth's magnetic field is not uniform. Near the Bermuda Triangle, there are places where true north and magnetic north align, causing compasses to behave erratically, if not properly calibrated. Early aviators and sailors might have been thrown off course, especially before the era of GPS. 3. Methane hydrates. Some researchers suggest that vast deposits of methane gas trapped under the seabed could erupt, creating frothy waters that reduce a ship's buoyancy, causing it to sink rapidly without leaving debris. Laboratory tests have shown that sudden methane releases can indeed destabilize vessels. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest videos. One of the busiest maritime regions in the world. Heavy traffic means more accidents and simple human error. Navigational mistakes, misread instruments, may account for many disappearances. When hundreds of ships and planes cross the area daily, even rare accidents can add up over decades. The role of media and myth. The Bermuda Triangle didn't gain worldwide fame until 1964 when writer Vincent Gaddis published an article titled The Deadly Bermuda Triangle in Argosy magazine. Books and documentaries followed, often exaggerating events for dramatic effect. For example, some disappearances were later explained. The SS Sandra, once listed as missing, was later found to have sunk outside the triangle due to rough weather. Several aircraft reported as lost were later discovered to have mechanical failures unrelated to magnetic anomalies. Despite these clarifications, the legend persists because mystery sells. Movies, TV shows, and novels continue to portray the triangle as a supernatural hotspot, keeping public curiosity alive. Modern investigations today, the Bermuda Triangle is still a heavily traveled region for both military and civilian vessels. The U.S. Coast Guard and National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, NOAA, maintain that it is no more dangerous than any other part of the Atlantic Ocean, with similar traffic and weather. Advanced tracking systems, satellite communications, and improved forecasting have significantly reduced unexplained disappearances in recent decades. Modern naval operations routinely cross the area without incident, suggesting that technology has outpaced much of the mystery. However, the ocean keeps its secrets well. The depth of the sea floor in this region, sometimes more than 27,000 feet, makes recovery of wreckage extremely difficult. Even with modern equipment, locating a lost submarine or aircraft remains a daunting task, which means some cases, like the USS Cyclops or Flight 19, may never be fully solved. The Bermuda Triangle remains one of the ocean's most enduring enigmas. From the massive USS Cyclops to the eerie disappearance of Flight 19, the list of lost warships and aircraft continues to fascinate scientists and storytellers alike. But as we've seen, the most likely explanations are rooted not in aliens or time warps, but in the powerful forces of nature. Unpredictable weather, magnetic quirks, and human error. Still, the absence of concrete answers keeps the legend alive. Perhaps that's the real magic of the Bermuda Triangle, a place where science and mystery meet, where the ocean reminds us that despite all our technology, some secrets remain hidden beneath the waves. If you enjoyed uncovering this mystery, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your theories in the comments. What do you think happened to the lost warships of the Bermuda Triangle? Could there still be truths waiting to surface from the depths?